Okay, this video looks at how diigo works. So we've got this little diigo button up here, and I'm going to show you how you might start using diigo to enhance your researching. So let's suppose that I'm a student, and what I'm researching has to do with technology use in the classroom, and in particular, let's say that I'm interested in the blended classroom. This is a term that refers to using both traditional teaching models as well as uh, untraditional technology, web-based queries, and whatnot. So I can search this, and notice I'm on Google Scholar. This is giving me more scholarly documents, and I go down, and I've got all of these different opportunities. So there's one that I was looking at earlier that I really liked. Okay, right here. So let's say that I'm interested in looking at this. I click on it, and it's got some nice definitions and ways for me to think about blended learning. So I could click on diigo, and what this lets me do is I can highlight, and notice that there's already, in this case, there's already things highlighted from people that have looked at this. So I didn't even know this would happen, but this is one guy who's highlighted this little section. Um, Maybe the same guy, Adolfo Munoz Aguilar. He's talking, well, he's reflecting on these different sections. So you can, first of all, you can see what other people have to say about a given topic. And let's say that I am really interested in one piece. So I could go and say, I'm this part about it being skill driven, combining self-paced learning. This has a lot to do with what I'm thinking about in math right now. So for my senior project, so I can highlight that. I can make it different colors. Let's make it green. Cool. And maybe I go down even further, and I see something that I think is really important. So I want to make a sticky note. So why we do a skill-driven model. Um, so the main thing is that this new method will gives more frequent feedback, and I think that's important. So I can post this, and now that's posted. All right. Well, so now I've done some research, and what I can do is go to diigo, and as long as I'm signed in, and I am signed in now, and you would need to be signing in to do your research. As long as I'm signed in, now it has the watch. I can close what I was looking at up here, so I close that. It has the website that I was on. So if I forgot to write it down, I can click on it, and it brings me right to the website that I was just looking at. That's really nifty. It also has my notes on it. So here are my notes. So it gives more frequent feedback. Um, and then it has what I underlined, the fact that it's skill-driven learning, combining all of this. So what's really nice about it is it'll order and keep the notes from you. And well, that's just a preliminary. Let me go to a site. Uh, Actually, let me stop. The other thing that's nice is you can start following other people. So I can go and follow other people. So I can search diigo users, and I've actually signed up with another account. But let's say I wanted to look at what Mr. Solberg is looking at. So I can go SS Olberg, because I know that's his email address, and search it. Oops, I got to go by name and search this. And here's Steve Solberg, and I can follow him now. So I'm following Steve or Mr. Solberg. And what's really cool is I can now see everything that he has been looking at. So this is what he's looking at. He saw these two videos and commented on them, this one article, and this is pertinent to us. So if I click on this, I have his bookmark that says, and more than just his bookmark, his note that says, this is a good quote. It points directly to the benefits of senior honors thesis. And what it says is that we can't abdicate senior year. We need to redesign it. We need new, more authentic, more impressive academic hurdles and rituals. And that's what we're trying to provide you guys with. And up above here, we can see the actual article. And more than just the article, we can see what Mr. Solberg had been underlining. So that's pretty neat. If I go back, I can also follow my other name, M. Peller, and this is my other account. And this has a bunch of other articles that I had been looking at, all about blended learning and flipped classrooms. And so, if we want to, we could, I could go say, well, what had I been looking at here? Um, I could just click on this. There's two more annotations. It tells me all the things that I had been searching. So it has these quotes so that when I go to write my paper, I have all of these quotes right here ready to just insert with the article that they came from so that I can remember how to annotate it properly. And this is really cool stuff. There's a lot. I'm just beginning to scratch the surface at how to use it. I just found this and have been communicating with other educators at different schools, and it seems like people are using this widely now. So I thought it would be good for us to learn this skill. Thanks. Thanks.